Are you whining to your mom?
No, I just tripped and my foot hurts. And
Is it bleeding?
yeah.
Oh, hold on. We have to see it. Wait.
No.
We have to see.
No.
We have to see your bleeding, your depth cut.
It's not.
Oh, shoot.
Stop.
Shoot. Let me see it closer here. Let me see it closer here. Oh, you see that, YouTube? Oh.
Stop. Zachary's holding it.
She's going to beat you up, Zach.
Right now.
She's able to fight, so. You are so big. Oh my goodness.
We'll amputate later.
Look at you.
Alvin, hey, what's my name? Dennis? No. What's my name?
Steve. Say dog. You said
I'm not a dog.
No, you said weirdo. Say Steve. That's why. Steve. Say Steve.
Yeah, give me 5. Yeah. Hey, are we going swimming tomorrow? Yeah. Do you know how to swim? Yeah.
No, he doesn't.
Oh yeah. Is Dad gonna help you?
Yeah.
Maybe. He's a mime. He's a copier right now. That's okay. All right, everyone, wave!
Happy 4th of July!
Woo! Another year! No fireworks! Say hi! Say hi! Hey, how's the show coming? Good.
Got my popcorn.
Hey, 3 fireworks! Woohoo!
Got the middle and the intro.
No, this was the middle. We're waiting for the end.
Oh. Enthusiasm all around. Trev, how's it going?
Good.
You see fireworks?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
What's it
Thus far, there've only been like 5 fireworks in the whole show. They tend to have a hard time over there at Granite Hills High School. I remember one year where they like blew up all the fireworks, and everyone had to go home early because they didn't have any more fireworks. So we had the intro played, and one kind of went in the middle, and we're waiting for the end. So this may be a short show. Show's back on, everybody!
America's not gonna die.
We're just waiting for the right song.
One more firework!
That was the warm-up music. Oh!
Yes. Yes.
Don't get too excited, everybody.
We got fitted.
I'm excited now. Zach.
Oh, that was beautiful.
You know.
We got a copy.
This is shopping cart. Andy, I love Brittany. Stop shopping.
I will catch you, stupid! Well, you should! You
It's getting crazy. That wasn't even a dip. What was that?
I don't know. She doesn't catch me.
That was like a squat. Don't you know how to dip?
She's not catching me!
Come on, dip face. Let's go dipless. Ah, you fail miserably. Miserably.
Alright, hey, I'll give you guys a quick.
What's all over your face? What's going on? Why are you hurrying up to get it off?
I don't know.
This is what Brittany does on her spare time. She just shoves food in her face.
I'm a pig.
It's like Miss Piggy.
I am a pig.
Does he smack it in your face?
Oh, it's sparkler madness!
Woo!
Spell your name.
Sparkler Madness.
Alvin?
Young and old and young.
Mine's out.
They go pretty fast.
Oh. Yeah. Wave it around, Calvin. Woo!
So you're gonna relight it and just hold it. Please take a few seconds. Yeah, it's okay. It's supposed to go down.
Oh, all done. Yeah. Was that fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is yours gold? Oh, green.
Okay, hold on.
Could you like mine?
I'm trying to get onto yours.
Okay, we'll give it to
Put it onto your head.
There we go.
Nope, not yet.
Yay, it's gold! Whoa!
Whoa.
Hey, can I have some of yours? Oh, look.
Hey, could I use yours? I need to relight. Mine only went to there.
Hey, the fireworks aren't at the ground.